Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for all cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the BingX bonus. If you're looking to maximize your trading potential and enhance your experience on the BingX platform, you won't want to miss this. So, what exactly is the BingX bonus? It's a fantastic incentive that allows you to earn extra funds or advantages when you start trading on the BingX platform. This bonus is designed to help both new and existing users cushion their trading experience, making it easier to explore various cryptocurrencies and enjoy favorable trading conditions. Here's how you can take advantage of this incredible opportunity. Simply sign up for BingX using my referral code, CHUCHU. By entering this code during the registration process, you unlock exclusive benefits that can significantly boost your initial trading capital. This means more leverage and more opportunities to earn. What's not to love about that? The BingX platform is renowned for its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide array of crypto trading options. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, the BingX bonus can provide you with the extra push you need to enhance your trading strategies. Plus, with the referral code CHUCHU, you have the chance to enjoy enhanced bonuses that make your trading journey even more rewarding. Imagine stepping into the world of crypto trading with confidence, knowing that you have additional resources at your fingertips. With BingX and the special referral code CHUCHU, you can fully embrace this exhilarating market while mitigating the risks involved. So, if you're ready to elevate your crypto trading experience, make sure to sign up for BingX today and enter the referral code CHUCHU. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to unlock your potential and grow your portfolio. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned to Crypto Kickstart for more insightful tips and guides in the world of cryptocurrency. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.